How to redeem Amazon gift card on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In this video I will guide you on how you can redeem your Amazon gift card on your iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to redeem your Amazon gift card on your iPhone, all you have to do is just go ahead and actually launch the Amazon application. Once you launch the Amazon app, you will see this type of interface where you have to tap on the account icon here and then just scroll down. And then basically once you scroll down, you'll find the option called gift card balance and you'll find redeem gift card. So you can tap on the redeem gift card button and then enter the gift card code over here, or you can also scan it by using your iPhone's camera and then just tap and apply to your balance. Now in case you don't find this redeem gift card option at the bottom here, you can just go to your account at the very top, and then once you go to your account, you will find all these options. Scroll down and you'll also find the option called manage gift card balance under payments. Just tap on manage gift card balance. And then as you do that, here you'll find the option called redeem another gift card. So just tap on redeem another gift card, enter the gift card code again just like you did earlier, and then tap on apply to your balance. This is how you can redeem Amazon gift card on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.